Everyone, I am live once again for one more live CSS battle. Okay, so now I am doing CSS battle number 226 bond. Right, so last CSS battle today I did for daily that what daily target. I completed daily target. Now I am completing this. I will be doing this. So if you have not watched that, you can watch that also, but there my voice was not good. So can you now tell me if my voice is coming right or not? I think I have changed some settings in OBS. This time it might be good. Let's see. If it is good, then okay. Now this time also I need to do with that timer, so that's why I choose this simple one. I hope this will be simple because last one was not very simple. Yeah, so let's see how. Let me just enable the timer, 15-minute timer, and it is loading. Yeah, now it is 15 minutes. Let's me now start the this whatever the doing that coding. Let's see. Now I will follow my rules that I created. I like always try to do it with that small. I don't use divs, right? I use this whatever like simple. I create this type of C and D and what how many I need, one line, two circles, and these two circles can be border and circle, right? One, two, three, and in middle we have circle. This is not line. If I see, I think it is definitely not. Yeah, it is a not line. Let me first try with line only. If I get 100%, then no need, right? So I need one, two, three, three only, right? Then why don't need D? I can dig with this. Now I need a style. Let's see, and inside that style I don't need closing bracket, and in the body I need background, and in background what I need, let me just copy this background color. This is the background color, I think. Yeah, background color might be matching. And then we don't need anything on the body. Then let me select A, B, and C. All three elements I will select and make them position of absolute. I always do that also. So this is my default, because doing position absolute, it allow me to arrange all these pieces in the correct location very easily with very lowest code. So that's why I do that. And background color also I will assign, but background color, okay, I will do that later, but first let me do that line. Line will be my A, and A will be width. Width will be whatever, how many we have, 400 pixel. 400 only, right? I don't type pixel. And height, for height I need this, I think this will be 20 around, or 30. Let me go with 30. And background white, and I will don't copy this for white, because only with 3 characters we can also get white, right? Height I think we need for 40 or 50. 50 might be correct. And from left make it 0, and from the top let me match it to half of 300, 150, so around 120 we need. Yeah, 120 is correct only, I think. Let me open the diff. Okay, I need to increase 124, 125, 125. Yeah, 125 is correct. And also in the middle, it is not a circle, it is line, because it is matching. Line is 100% matching, I guess, right? We don't need another circle, that I was thinking, but we don't need. Now line is completed. Now we need to create these two circles, V and C. Let me give it a width of, let me add some space below. Yeah, width. It might be, it is total 4, but it is half, then it might be 120, around 120. And height same, height 120. That's, and okay, we need border, right? So then this thing will be changed. Background color is this. So we need height and width for this. That's why this will be small, very small. We need to make them. Yeah, let's just make them small. Then I think it is this 50, right? It is 50, 50 only. And then border radius of 50% and then border also 40, I guess 40 pixel. Here we need to pass pixel because without unit here it didn't work. Solid and white, hashtag ff white, or I can use similar capital F, like it is all same, but here I am using, right? So for like same thing it will be. Then for BC, what we call left, and left it might be 60 or 80 minutes. Let's see, go with 80. And top also, let me go with 90. Yeah. My all assumptions are correct, only small, very small position different, but that we can manage for now. Let's just do first C. Then for C, I only need to change left. Then left, how much? Let me just add 100 more, 180 and 180. Was 80 now? Now it is 180. Now we only need to rearrange them. Let me open the diff and now let's reduce the diff. 90, oh it is or more, 75, and then top 80, 85, 86, 87, 86. Okay, I think our height is, let me move the or 200, then we will decide for, yeah, our width is more, let me, whatever circle is correct. Okay, so then border is only 35, 35, how 35 is more, let me top, let me increase to 87, then let me increase also 36, this I really need 36. This is the first part that I need to 37 or 38, 38. I am not sure if it is 100 or not. Let me try this. 139 and top 88. 88 is correct. 37 is also correct. And then left might be 30. Yeah, 76. It is matching, right? Now I also need to do for this 8, no, 200 only. Yeah, now it is 100% matching. Let me submit now. And let's see how much time we have left that we will use that time for increasing our score. Now it is 620 in 310 words, right? I have 7 minutes left. Wow, I completed it around in 7 minutes or 8 minutes. Let me now just reduce the characters. Do we have anything common? Height and width. Their height and width. Okay, height is common, right? So let me just remove height from here. Also height from here and move it here. Same. Width is different for all, right? And background color is also different, and left is 280. Left is also, top is also different, right? Nothing is same now. Now I think we can just reduce. And how I will reduce? Let me Control A and Shift tab will remove all the tabs. And then I will do one more thing. I will do this. Like I will select the empty line and Control D. It will select all the next line. I will just make it in single line. Now this we have this. Then let me just select all of these. And that last semicolon we don't need. And also if we have any space after that, let me get this. If we have any other, no, we don't have any occurrence of that, like colon and space, that also we don't need, and last semicolon also we don't need. And I think then we have or also last closing bracket, that we also don't need. Closing tag for the last one we don't need. Now we have 223 characters. Now submit it will increase our high score. Now 647, yeah, 27 point increase, right? Now, yeah, I think it is complete. Thank you guys. This was the live stream or 5 minute we still have. So in 10 minutes I have completed and also increased my score. So this was very simple, but okay, but I have completed in 10 minutes, so no. So I think from the next stream I will try in 10 minutes. Like I will give myself 15 minutes, but completing will be 10 minutes and then reducing the code and all of this might be next 5 minutes I can. So I will might give two timers. Or like I might directly just see if I have 5 minutes left, then I will say, or maybe I can whatever. Why I am thinking about next stream. This stream was good, and if my voice was also good, then it is very good. And then yeah, please like if you find anything helpful or you find my tricks to do that. But these tricks that I am doing here, these are not valid for our production code or like our product code or our software code, because this code will be not like understandable, right? What that A diff means, B means. Like here we only creating these images, so that's why it is okay. But in real product, this is not how we write the code. So either one stream, I have like in previous stream, what I did, I first created in like how we do real code, like in our production apps and in our software real job, how we do the code. That style code I have did first, then I make that in this style, like reduce all the characters and all these things. That is also I can show you, but yeah, both are valid, but like it also pass and give you score, but that is not the correct code. We need to make our write our code in good style and everything. But what I am talking, I am not that much experienced person. You shouldn't listen to me, but I am just talking whatever. Yeah, because like I feel I am able to talk and I can give you some my thoughts because I have completed in 10 minutes. Does this give me any like privilege to talk about these things? I don't know, but I am talking, yes. Whatever. That is it. And what else should I do now? Uh, I think I need to close this stream now. I am talking nonsense, right? But I can show you something in the meantime. Yeah, let's see my rating and some things, because that might also be. Yeah, now I am under 3000. Like when this CSS battle started, that time like 3 years ago I was doing. So that time I was under 1000, but now many people are also there. Also, I have stopped doing this. Like my streak is 2 days only. Like from yesterday, I am started doing it again. So I am thinking to make my global rank back again into the thousands. Right, that is the goal that we will achieve if I will do that streak, if I maintain for like some days, and also in the same time I also do these CSS battle targets, and also if I complete these, so it might increase, right? And that's it. And also I have my social handle here, so if you want to follow me, you can come to this CSS battle dev player Momin Ahmad. You can find me here. Also I am available. This is my portfolio website. It is not updated. It is last updated in 2020, so 5 years ago. I am lazy simply. This is my X Twitter. So here I don't talk about very much about that what we call coding and all these things. I talk about here Zack Snyder only, and some Indian issues, but mostly Zack Snyder. And then we have GitHub, my GitHub profile. Here you can see really what I am doing. You can see all my repositories here. I have 83 open source repositories and I have many private repositories. And why I have not signed in here, I am not sure. Should I sign in? Let me just do that. Please, please, please. I can use passkey. And now I am signed in, right? This is it. Now I have 104 repositories. So there are around 40, right? maybe how many I don't know. Private repositories. There, the real code is there in the private repositories. This is Apan is private repository. Okay, then I have my LinkedIn. If you or your company looking for someone, some expert in UI development and web development, and so I develop apps. So if anybody need any, yeah, 3 messages, I need to check that also. If you're looking like I am available to hire, if you are looking for someone to work for you for your project, you can hire me, right? And also, this is the YouTube channel where you are seeing me right now, right? So here I do all lives. I only do lives, and I make clips out of that live and put it in a video tab. So you can, if you don't want to see my entire live streams, you can just see videos. And anything else I need to do. And my time is up. Thank you guys. Bye bye.